Hello guys, just came to check out as I promised to show you how this place is gonna be. You can see how to start it here. All this place, like I've been mentioning in the previous video, saying this place has been cleared. It had maize before. Now you can see it's being cleared. We're gonna start the garden. Gonna start irrigation now. We got ourselves a big pump. I'll be pumping water. On this side there's a stream. Well, the stream never gets dry, throughout the year. So this is how they're clearing. The helpers, this is how they're clearing to make the beds. And we're gonna start planting onion for now. So this is how far they've gone with clearing and cleaning, and now the house is left on a clear place surrounding. It looks clean. And the maize has grown as well. The maize has really grown. This is maize planted out of season. So as you're watching, guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Let's work together. Check how the farm is doing. This place is gonna be cleared because we have to start a garden. Very soon. Already the place has been cleared. And this place where the pawpaws are, you can see pawpaws and some cassava. The pawpaws will remain, but all these cassava things will be approved. When time comes, everything's gonna come out, and then I'm gonna start with the bananas. I think it's gonna be a banana plantation. We even have this hand pump where people watch their waters. Let's take a closer view of the maize. The maize really looks green and good. Got a cold again. So this place is being cleared for a reason. There are gonna be bananas being planted here. We've got so much space. Whereby you can plant anything and do anything at this farm. It's really good. It feels good to own such land in Zambia. Look at the pawpaws. You can see those two there, they're ripe. Two pawpaws are ripe. A lot of pawpaws here. There are a lot of pawpaws at the middle. There's my cousin. She's not even scared to go in that bush. Let me try and follow her and see where she's going. I don't know what happened to this pawpaw. I think I really don't even know. It's not even about I think. I don't know what happened to it. So sad. So guys, just showing you around. This is also part of the farm. On my previous videos you can check, you see when I was showing you when the this stream, we have a stream here, it passes through the side. When it fills up, when it floods, yeah, last time I showed you when the stream was flooded, that's all this area was really flooded. There's so much water. I think it was written somewhere there, yeah. But the stream, where the stream ends is on when you see these green things, this whatever they call them, yeah, these green weeds that you see, that's where the stream banks ends, yeah. But when the heavy rains, that's when it floods and brings all this rubbish that you can see. All these papers, plastics are brought by a flooded stream, yeah. So I don't know about other countries, African countries, how it is, but this is this is what we face here in Zambia when you stay in aside the stream, yeah. So when the stream gets flooded, people find the chance of throwing all the plastics and papers in the stream, and yeah, we are the ones suffering with the plastics and garbage. So now the reason why it has stayed this way again is because it has not been cleared properly in the past few years. So now because all this guys is land, yeah, everywhere, starting from this side going this side, you can see all this is land, whereby it's supposed to be cleared properly and everything will just look normal. So now I'm showing you a before, yeah. So I would really be happy to see this place cleared, and I'm gonna show you the after, guys. But right now I'm just showing you how the situation is here across the stream. Oh, this is our land, but it really has to be cleared for it to look properly, because all this is gonna be a banana plantation, like I said at the beginning, yeah. All here, all this area, we're gonna plant bananas. But first, before we plant the bananas, we gotta work on this area. We have to work on this area, in this place. Let's look at the plastics, papers and rubbish. Just need to work together so that we can clear the place and clean the place so that it can look good. Otherwise we cannot plant anything in this how it is right now in this state, because up here there was so much weed, whereby you had to tell the workers to start cleaning bit by bit and slashing, stamping out of the trees, some wild trees. Okay. So much has to be done. So much has to be done. Just look at this. All these are papers and bottles, plastics that were brought by flooded stream. Yeah, so guys, as you're watching, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. Yeah, so this is how the area looks like for now. Yeah. Let's get moving to the other side of the farm. So this area is gonna be banana plantation, yeah. I'm gonna show you this side as well. All this area is always flooded by the stream, but it's gonna be cleared as well, and we're gonna plant bananas. Yeah. So you can see that how this place looks like. There was a building here, so it was broken down, and soon they're gonna work on it. Sure, they're gonna build something better and stronger. Yeah, this is what the stream brings, guys. So yeah, we're gonna clear up this place, remove all this building that was broken down, and build another building, another proper building. Yeah. Looking forward to get this place cleaned so that we can just show you guys the after the place has been cleaned. Yeah. So you can see they started from this side cleaning until they're now going this side. So let's check how this side was cleaned. Just look at the plastics and papers. This stream gets flooded badly. Yeah, that it comes with so much rubbish, and it leaves all the rubbish. Just the people just stay, especially us who are staying on the area this where the stream passes. So we are really affected by all the papers, plastics. Yeah. So all this area I'll show you guys later when it's being cleaned. All this area we're gonna plant bananas. I just can't wait to see the place cleaned and start planting the bananas. To be exciting. Yeah. Yeah, planting things out of season, and over there you can see how green the maize is. Yeah, you can see how green the maize is. You can see over there. Yeah, so we're gonna start watering first the beds that were made, because we're gonna plant onion in these beds. Yeah, so yeah, let's continue watching, guys, and see what's gonna happen. So guys, you can see this is water from the stream, and this is how they've made the beds where the water is going. This is where they'll be planting the onions. So this stream, I think last time I showed I filmed when it was flooded. Yeah, that's the same stream that we use for irrigation. The stream never gets dry. Yeah, it's like January to January the stream is got water. So let's walk in and see. Which it's a good thing of having a stream because it's so easy now to water whatever is going to be planted. You don't need to wait for rainy season. Yeah, you just have to plant whatever has to be planted. Then yeah, the water, we have water. The stream never gets dry. Yeah, and we've got a good pump, a very big pump that is pumping the water. You can just see so much pressure. That's why it's even able to push through. Yeah, it doesn't need anyone to control it. Yeah. So this is how it looks like. Where it's going. So the guys are here to control everything. Yeah, we'll see how it's gonna go. You can see how the water is flowing. The guys are doing their thing. So right now just trying to make the beds leveled so that the water can just flow properly, than the water flowing on one side. So guys, we're gonna check up on the sprinkler, how it's working. Yeah, so now it's time to water the maize. Today watering the maize. Yesterday they were just putting water in the beds where we're gonna put the onions, but today they're watering the maize, so I'm using this sprinkler that is watering the maize. Yeah, you can see how healthy the maize looks. So guys, this is how the sprinkler is working. It's even reaching out to hear the water when it's watering. Yeah. So this year we're gonna do a lot of gardening, a lot of irrigation, because we've got enough water from the stream, we've got the sprinkler, we've got the pump. So yeah, it's gonna be easy this year with gardening. You can see how far the water is going, yeah? So like I always said, guys, you invest your money in farming, you never go wrong. You never go wrong in farming as long as you know what you want to plant. You plan on the season, then yeah, everything is gonna work out. You can see even up to here, is the water in reach is going so far. Maize, 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 maize. Hello guys, I'm just in the new orchard. You can see how beautiful it looks. It has been cleared and you can see the fruits. Let me show you how we're watering. We're getting water all the way from the stream. The stream is that far, guys. My previous videos, I'm sure that you guys that have watched, you know where the stream is. Yeah, so we're pumping water from the stream. You can see how much pressure we have.
Yes.
Yeah, so we're using water from the stream, guys. We're using water from the stream. It's the one we're using to water the fruits in
Okay.
the fruits in the new orchard.
We're gonna have to go this side here. Come back this side. No, come back, come back, come back. Come back, come back, come back.
See how good it is, guys, to have the stream. Yeah, the stream is helpful, and the pump that we're using to water. We're using to water now the new orchard. You can see how much pressure it has got. Yeah, it's got so much pressure. So going step by step, tree by tree. Yeah. It's really good to have a stream.
No.
The So this is the maize that we have harvested and now it has been shelled. Yellow maize. Yeah. Like I was saying, that investing farming, guys, it's really a good thing. This is a lot of maize, guys. If you look at it, we already started eating from it, yeah. So these already are the bags that have started packing in already. About 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11 bags already. Plus the maize that we've been the maize that was used for home consumption. So now this is the rest of the maize that is remaining to be packed in the bags. Yeah, we've already packed the sunflower and we've already packed the soya beans. The only thing that is remaining to be harvested is the groundnuts. I have to start digging the groundnuts about, I think, next week Monday. It's Saturday. So yeah. This is where we are now. Oh, hey. Oh. Oh. Kumbaga na mapili. Kaya ni filming ang pasinga dekes. Ma. Voice. So yeah. This is what we're filming. The maize now, the being packed. Yeah. Yeah, this is how the maize looks like in the sacks. It's really clean. You can see it's really clean. Yeah. You can see how good it looks. You can see there's a lot of building going on there, this area. And that's the road that has been made. This is the road for these plots that are here. You can see all these plots that are, yeah. And there's an ice cream man. I can see him in yellow, in a yellow t-shirt. And this is how I've done the tank stand. This is a tank stand. Yeah, we're gonna put the 10,000 liters on this tank stand. So it's really hard to be built strong. It's really a hot day. Just look at the chickens. They're all gathered under this mango tree. I was expecting this month to be cold. June. June, it's always cold in Zambia, but I don't know what's happening to the weather. The weather is changing. I don't know. Anyway, the chickens are relaxing. It's a really hot day. These chickens are big, big, big. Yeah, so yeah, they're relaxing under the tree. And here's my little friend. Hello, Cindy. Hello, Cindy. Hello, Cindy. Hello, Cindy. Say hi to everyone. Hello. Hello. Saying hi to everyone. Leave me alone, Cindy. Let me go. Yeah, so that's life on the farm. So guys, I just brought you to see what's going on top here on the rooftop. So like I said, the only thing that was remaining for us to harvest is the groundnuts. Yeah, so yeah, these are the groundnuts. There's so many guys who are by. Oh my god, we need so much time to remove the groundnuts from there, whatever they're called. Yeah, so they dig out the groundnuts. This is how they look like. You can see. This is how they catch the groundnuts. Yeah. So after digging them out, after digging out the groundnuts, then you have to take them out from the stems. Then you have to put them separately. After putting them separately like this, you need to dry them. Yeah. After drying them, then we start to shell. Yeah. After shelling them when they're dry, then we can be able to take to have them crushed to make peanut butter out of the groundnuts. Yeah. So guys, like I always say, farming is very good. You can never go hungry if you're a farmer. So yeah, these are the groundnuts. You can just see there's so many. Have to take out all of this, yeah, and dry them. After drying them, we're gonna shell them, yeah. So you may be surprised to see these maize things. Yeah, after shelling the maize, then this is left. This also is used for it's used on the feed. Yeah, you can crush it, mix with sunflower, you can mix with soybeans to give to your chickens. They're very good. Yeah, they're useful. You just don't throw them away. I know people use these things with different kinds of things, but for us we use them to crush and mix feed, for the chickens. Yeah. So guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like, comment, share with friends and family. Yeah. Before I go, let's view the road together. Help me reach to that 1,000 subscribers, and let's watch the videos fully. Let's put up those watch hours. I really appreciate, guys. From me now, it's bye bye. Until next time.